Do you know who the real hero behind Odisha's digital revolution is? According to the latest TRI data, Jio Airfiber has made a massive impact by capturing over 87% market share in the 5G fixed wireless access FWA segment. This isn't just a number, it's the beginning of a whole new digital story. With over 1.3 lakh subscribers, Jio Airfiber has brought high-speed internet to rural and semi-urban areas where broadband was once just a dream. And at the heart of this dream becoming reality is the powerful vision of Anand Ambani. Under his leadership, Jio has not only delivered cutting-edge technology to the people, but has also brought a new light into their lives. What are your thoughts? Share your views in the comments, and don't forget to share this video.